Welcome back to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. When considering what type of heating system is right for you, what are the benefits of a heat pump? One of the biggest advantages of a heat pump is only one bill for heating and cooling. Since there's no gas hookup, there's no gas bill. They are also more energy efficient when not running emergency heat mode and have no risk for emissions. If you'd like to learn more about what a heat pump might look like in your home, give us a call and we'd be happy to talk you through all the pros and cons.